have created list. Okay, so list syntax is started with a square bracket 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I have created this tuple T1. So now the tuple is placed tuple variables or values are placed inside round brackets. Okay, so this is how we can do type conversion, like list to tuple, tuple to list. If I want to print list from the tuple, so what would I do? If this is a T1, I would like to return L1 is equals to list, and what we have tuple this, and if I print L1, it is again in a format list. So this is how we can do type conversion. We can change tuple to list, list to tuples. Now we can also, we have created list with mixed data type, we can also create tuples with a mixed data type, like 5. 5 is an integer type, welcome is an string type. So this is what the mixed data type. Now I want to merge 2 or 3 tuples. So tuple 1 is this. Tuple 1 have integers value, tuple 2 have string value. Now what I am doing, guys, I am visible clear. The screen is visible clearly or not?
Yes, ma'am, it is clear, ma'am.
Okay, or anyone having getting doubt? Okay. Now, these are the 2 tuples we want to mix in a third tuple. So, how we can do it? Either we could create it like create 2 tuples, and that values have to be stored in a tuple 3. So, if I run this program, what will we do? This is one tuple and this is second tuple, and these 2 tuples are inside this function. Inside this third tuple means we have nested 2 tuple inside another tuple. Tuple 3 is also a tuple, and tuple 1 and tuple 2 is a tuples. Okay, so this is how we can do nesting the tuples. Now, what if I want to, what will it show? Let me show you. In tuple, we can, if I producted, means we are Greeks. First, I have inserted one value, Greeks. Now I am displaying it. So, what will it show to me? This is what we are doing here. Repetition means we are here. I insert comma. If I remove this, it will now give me an error. Sorry, no, yeah, not giving error, because a comma is used for spacing the. If I am using this repetition method, it is sorry for that. If I am using comma and space here, it is displaying the list with tuple values with spacing. And if I remove this comma and space from here, the words get repeated but in a subsequent attached to each other. Not there is no space. Okay, so this is what look like. So you can do repetition like this. Now, if you want to access the tuple, similarly as we access the list, we can access the tuple. Like tuple name is tuple 1, and if I remove this option method here from here, tuple, it will also create tuple. So there is 2 types to create a tuple. You can either you can use this method, or if you don't want to use, you are free to. Now I want to access its first element. So what if I write tuple 1, because it has one element. Now this is a tuple 1 Greeks for Greeks. Now what here, if I do, I have told you yesterday, inserting the value with inserting multiple date values to a multiple integer. So ABC, we here created 3 variables, because in a tuple we have 3 values, Greeks for Greeks. So what is going to be here? A has assigned to be the with value Greeks, B have value for, and C have value Greeks. So if I show you the output is Greeks for Greeks. Okay, and this output is printing in a new line because print function already has a new line as a default. Now, if you want to concatenate two tuples, means tuple 1 and tuple 2, and you want to create a single tuple that have those values. Earlier, we studied about nesting, means two tuples are inside one tuple. So, we can do it by inserting tuples. Now, if I want to concatenate two strings, so what I can do, either you can, tuples is similar like list. There's no much changes in between tuples and list and string. So you could either you could do it using string concatenation. So this is concatenation, like if you plus these two value, the output is going to, these values going to be stored in a tuple 3. So tuple 1 have these value, tuple 2 have this value, and when we concatenate these two in a single one, the tuple that is new created have these values, like of values of all the values of tuple 1 and all the values of tuple 2. Now slicing is similar that we have did in a list, starting from zero index and the last index is -1 and so on. Similar syntax is, means if one, yeah, there we can use, this is something, let me show you what is this. Okay, so here what we have, Greeks for Greece, starting from in a start we have indexing 0 and at last we have indexing minus. We are, what we are doing, reversing the string. So for the reverse we use here -1 sign because we want to, here you could add, because here we want to reverse the string, means we want to track the listing from the backward side. So in a last we have s, it traverse the string from the back. This syntax will traverse the string from back by decreasing -1 values. Okay. Now removal of first element. It is like if we print tuple 1, 1 to last. This means the string would going to print from double EKS for G is going to be skipped because we are starting printing from 1 to last, not from a 0 index. So this will remove the G element. Printing in a range, like I have told you guys yesterday, this index is included and the index number 9 is going to be excluded. We don't include last index, we include the eighth index. We can delete whole tuple. Tuples are, first thing, tuples are immutable and hence they do not allow deletion of parts. Means if you want to where if you want to delete one item from the tuple, like you want to delete this 0, so this is not possible in a tuple because you cannot delete items of the tuple, you cannot change items of the tuple, but you can delete whole tuple. So if I here, we for that we use del method, del tup and the name of the tuple. So now if I am printing tuple, it will showing me throwback error, that name error, that tuple 1 is not defined because here we have deleted tuple 1. Okay. Now some built-in methods of tuples. Index. What will index do? Find in the tuple and return the index of the given value where it is available. Like we are finding for a particular value, so it will return the index for that value where it is. Now count. Return the frequency of occurrence, means it count the uh, how many times, if we specified some variable, so it count the how many times that variable occurs in a list, tuple. So some important function is like sum, sorted, tuple is like convert an iterable to tuple. Some function, max function, min function. Max function is used to find the maximum of the tuple element. Min function used to find the minimum element of the given tuple. And similarly, sorted function used for sorting. So this is what about simply about tuples. Now what we have to learn after that. Wait. Tuple. Now we are going to switch to dictionary. Now dictionary. What is dictionary? So first, dictionary is an unordered collection of data values used to store data values like map, which unlike other data type and hold only single value as element. Means in a dictionary we use it a map. Generally in a map, what is happening? There is some value. There is some value like India. So it has some location in a map. Okay. So it is similar to dictionaries, similar to storing data type of these types. Like this India is key value and it has some location that is its value. So what is going in a map? What we do? Find what is nearest um, Sri Lanka. So it has also a particular location. So India and Sri Lanka could not have the same values because these are the keys. These are a particular value. But location could have the same duplicate values. Okay, if we are finding the location on an area wise, if we could write here area. So if it could be same duplicate, area would be duplicate, means India, if India has some area, maybe if in a world there is some country which is same area as India, or you we could either use population. Yeah, population to nahi hai, but other factors like factories, colleges, or anything else. So it is not necessary that in other country it is not equals to the India. So but India is only one. There is no two India or not any double duplicates. So these are the key and these are the values of that key. So key could not be duplicated, but value could be duplicated. So these are the two things in a dictionary. Dictionary is represented by, I have created a variable dix and I have applied these curly braces. And if I print type of dix, so it is showing me the dix means dictionary type. Okay, I have given it a name. If I change this to 50, but it will obviously showing me the class type. Oh, sorry. Now it is showing me the class is dicts. So for the dictionary, the keyword we use DICT dict. Now in Python, dictionary is unordered. It has key, and key in dictionary does not allow polymorphism, means it cannot be duplicated. Creating a dictionary, how we could create, we could insert values using comma separators. Okay, so one here, one is a key, and I have assigning a value, it's to Greeks. So if I am creating a dictionary, so here I run one. For that I am if I store it one as this, it will be its values of string data type. If I remove this and I put it like this, so now the value is of integer data type. So this is the difference in using single quotes. Either you could use single or you could use double. So this is one element of dictionary that have key one, and that key has value a. Now I want to insert another data type, so I have insert 2 and named it b. So this is what my dictionary. So if I print this, it will printing 1 and 2. Now this is the dictionary with the use of integer key. 1 and 2 are integer key. Now mixed dictionary, like I have created name. Name, this is key here, because we call before colon we use key value, and then after in the right side of colon we use values of that key. So one here, one is integer type key, and it has value list, of type list. So this is how we could, means dictionary, list and tuple could be of mixed data type, integer, string or anything. Now here I have created empty dictionary. This is the dictionary that have some values integer type. This is it that has integer type key values. Now I can use dix function, like I have using tuple function for creating tuple before any, like I write here dictionary. So if I write dict, values are going to be inserted this parenthesis. Okay, values always means element of the dictionary always come inside this, and I have to change its name because I have already Dix, please try to avoid naming as the keyword of the keyword or the method's name, because it will give you some error. So this is value, this is key, and for this key this is a value. So this is how we have created dictionary. Now what if I want to create a dictionary with item pair, like one Greeks, two for. So this is what key value, and this is the value of key, means this is key and this is value. Another, this is second item, that is key, and it has, this is its value. So this is some this basic declaration how to declare dictionary in a Python. Now any one of you having any doubt till now? Guys, please don't make it boring lectures like college lectures. Guys, you can unmute yourself, I think.
No doubt, ma'am.
Please don't make it boring college lectures. Please, please. Yeah, let's take a short quiz. What is strip? Can we do a short quiz quickly? Hello, guys. Hello.
Please repeat the
Can
question
we
again.
do? Can we do a short quickly? Okay, but you guys have to unmute as fast as you can and answer as fast as you can. Okay. So what we use strip function. Strip.
To remove spaces.
Okay. And split function.
To split a string into characters.
No, in yeah, you could say it into character, but it is very convenient to use to split the string in a list or in a item of the list. Okay, but you are right, Chamundeshwari ma'am. Or anyone. For length of the for calculating the length, how many elements in a list, which function we use?
Alien length.
Len.
Guys, anyone having no interest in quiz? Any other means except Vanilla
They
ma'am
are
and
super fast.
Chamundeshwari ma'am? Okay. Now, if I want to, is it possible in a tuple to remove, to change any item value? Is it possible?
No, ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am.
no.
Okay. ओके चलो, तो जल्दी से ना इसको ख़त्म करते हैं डिक्शनरी को. फिर व्हाट इफ
Ma'am, one
नेस्टेड
doubt,
डिक्शनरी.
ma'am.
या श्योर.
Ma'am, you said that type conversation will be there in tuple, no? List to tuple or tuple to list. Can you explain one time, ma'am? One more time.
Yes. Yes. Here I have created list 1. Okay, and I named it L1. Inside some values 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, created in one tuple T1 and giving it some values like A, B, C, D. Okay, now I want to convert this list into a tuple. So what should I do here? Either I could directly print, or either I could store that value in some variable, or I could print. So first, let me create name it variable as t2 because it is second tuple. So what we will do, write function name. This is method in a Python, predefined method. What it will do, it will convert the data type into a list. Sorry, tuple. So here I write tuple, and if I write L1, so if I print now, print L1 and print T2, because T2 here is a tuple that we have created from that list. So show you the output. So here output is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the output. What is 1, 2, 3, 4 is the output for list L1 and also for the T2. But here this, now if I print the data type of these two, it will show me different data type. Like, because now the syntax has been changed. L1, and I have right here type of, oh sorry, T2. So this is what of class list. This one is L1 is of type list and T2 is of type tuple. So this is how we do type conversion. Okay. Now for if I want to convert this T1 tuple into a list, so what would I do? Like I'll write here T2 L2 is equals to list and the value that the tuple that we have to create, so that is T1. So now I am printing both T1 tuple and this T1 and this is L2 T1, this is L2. Now first it ABCD is a type of tuple. Now when I have apply this list method here, type conversion is done and it is changed to tuple. No, sorry, list. So it is ABCD under square bracket. So this is how we could do type conversion in a list. Ma'am, clear?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, now nested dictionary. It is how we create nested dictionary. Means we have keys value for key one value Greeks. For two, we have value this. Now for the key value three, we have another dictionary inside the dictionary. So this is looks similar like this. Like one have value key, two key value have four, and for three key, the value is another dictionary. So how this is how we could declare it. Like to create dictionary inside dictionary, we use curly braces. Then create dictionary inside. This is key, this is value, this is key, this is value. So it is something like 2D tuple. Sorry, 2D dictionary. Dictionary inside dictionary. Now if you want to add element in a dictionary, so it is similar to like that as you added in a list, you could add in a dictionary like dictionary 0, dictionary at index 2, and dictionary at index 3 1. And if I print this, so what will it give? For 0, sorry, it is not index, it is key value. So if I display this, so 0 for key 0 value is Greeks, for 2 key value is 4, for 3 it is 1. This is for 3 it is 1. So this is if you want to create insert add element. So here write dix means here it is the name of dictionary, means what dictionary you have created. I could write D1 or anything else. Then after square inside square bracket we write the key value that we are going. Key value means key, which key have to assign this value. So this is how you could write. Now in a single I have created here a dictionary value set is equals to this. So this value set is like key, and these are the value for that key. Now for 2 it is welcome. For 5, for at key 5 we have created another dictionary. So means it is triple nested inside nested. It would like for 0 Greeks, 2 for welcome, 3 for 1, and for 5 there is a dictionary that is also have some dictionary values. Element, how to access element is similar to accessing like list. As we access in a list, like here we put index name. So in a dictionary we are going to put the key name. If you want to access the item of the dictionary, you have to put here the name of the key, not the index number. And another method that is called get. For get method, it is also used for accessing. So you could either use this like that we have used in a list, or rather you could use get method. It will also print Greeks because this is the key. Get method accept the key and print the value of that particular key. Nested dictionary is something like I have told you 2D or 3D dictionary. So what if you want to display the items of nested dictionary. So what I have to print, if I print dict1, so it will print the whole item means one and Greeks. And if I want to print this Greeks only, so what I will do, write first we write dictionary name, then we write the index name, here first key name. So for first key it has dictionary 1, then after it has key 1. For this one key, this is the value Greek. So what I should write for it, this means, as you write in arena a 0 comma 1 or 0 comma 2, so it exists the element of 0. So it is similar like 2D array, like it is a 0 and it is a 0 0 position, then this is the item for this 0 0 position. If you want to remove element, so either you could uh, use delete function, that we are you in this delete function, if you provide index number, so what it will go remove. In tuple we simply write delete function, so it will remove whole tuple. But in dictionary we can remove items, it is not necessary. We want to delete whole dictionary, so we provide here the key for, this is the key for which we have to delete the item. So what will happen, this key and its values going to be deleted. My, if I delete dictionary 6, so what is going to happen, this 6 and its value 2 has to be removed. Now for deleting nested, I have told you indexing, this index value is their key, not 0 1 index value, these are the key. Then you can use pop method. What will pop method, it is similar like get and pop. So what it will do, it will remove this whole value, means key, means this element, whole element, key and its value. Using pop item, if you use pop item, so what will it do, it will remove item, means dictionary after deletion. If dictionary pop item, I have used dictionary dot pop item, so what it will do, first it is 3, and in dictionary there is no indexing, so it is not necessary. If you run the program pop items, it is not necessary it will remove this item, it always remove last item. But dictionary's structure could be changed, means this item should maybe here or this item may be here, so because dictionary have no indexing. So it, if you do pop, it first remove 1 and Greeks, because it is not necessary it have to remove particular item. And clear method, what clear method do, here clear method will remove all the keys and values from the list, so it clear whole dictionary, empty, make it empty dictionary. Now similarly copy, clear pop item, get method, dictionary name, values, string, update, and these are some methods in a dictionary. So for this I am also shared some method to you. And for today I am not giving you any assignment. I want yeah, in a evening, at which time you guys are free, guys? Guys, jaldi jaldi jaldi. In the evening, at which time you guys are free? Respond anyone please. 6 after 6. Okay. So at first I will talk to Ria ma'am if she is free. At 6:30 we have a portfolio meet. Means you guys have to present your portfolio. Okay. So I will contact to Ria ma'am. So I am not giving you today any task. Just complete your yesterday task, and if any one of you not completed that portfolio, please complete it. Okay. Or for today class, guys, you guys have any doubts? And Kanika ma'am,
Yeah,
so you have taken attendance.
sure.
Okay, sir. So, sir, make one more attendance. I am sharing his name. Wait. He informed me before that he is knowing not going to attend the class. Muhammad Abdul Samit also marked. No, please don't mark him his attendance. I talk to Riya ma'am. Just write his name in a list. I will contact Riya ma'am. Then after I will tell you. Okay. And guys,
Starting.
anyone having doubts? No doubt. No doubt. No doubt. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. And if you guys have any doubt and you are hesitating here, you could personally contact to me. Okay, I know I am not a good trainer, but at least I should try my best to teach you. Okay, thank you so much.